Hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a Zoom account. So the first thing you're going to need to do is if you don't have a Zoom account yet, you're going to go to zoom.us. Pull that up. So now we're here. Okay. You can do this by typing Zoom into your various search engines. So I'm using Chrome currently. There's also Microsoft Edge that you can use that I also have up here. Zoom.us. It'll also pull it up. Chrome's just easier for me to navigate. They look pretty much the same though. Okay, now you're going to, once you're on this page, click the orange button that says sign up. It's free. Boom. Now you're going to enter your date of birth. To make this easier, we'll go with October 7th. Let's go with 19. I'll do 55. Sure. Okay. Now we're going to click continue. Okay. Once we get here, so you're going to put your month, your date, whatever it says there. Now, once you get to your email address, you are going to need to put in your email. But if you have any ad blockers, you're going to need to make sure those are not working, because otherwise it can cause this page to not load properly sometimes. So you are going to put a email in. So I'm going to use my email. Sign up. Activation email set. So once you put your email, that's your personal email at whatever it is, then you're going to pull up whatever your email service is. That could be Fastmail, Gmail, whatever it is. So you're going to pull it up. I use Gmail, so you're going to open up Gmail. So right up at the top, so that's gmail.com, right there. Enter. Please activate your Zoom account. You're going to click on that. You see that right there? Activate account. Activate account. Great. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put in your first name, Tristan Bond. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh. First name, Tristan. Capitalize that. Last name, Bond. Password. Now, for a password, that can be anything you want. Something that's very easy for you to remember. You're going to want to write it down, save it in a safe place. So something I like to do is all sorts of things. So I'm not going to tell you my password, of course. So you're going to put in your password. Make sure there are numbers and uppercase and lowercase. So once you have that in, you're going to have to put the same in again. Okay. Now, once you have this all in, click continue. Now, if this pop-up pops up in the top right, you can click save to make sure that next time you come in, you don't have to log all in again, and it makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to click save. Great. Now, so now if you get this up, if you want to invite a friend, you can do that by putting all the emails in. I'm not going to do that right now. That could be all sorts of things. You know what? I will do that just to show you. That's another email I have. So I'm going to click I am not a robot. I'm just going to show you guys how to do this. Invite. Great. So now we're going to come to here. So you're going to get this link here. Now you can either choose to copy it now. So by copying, what you're going to do is you're either going to right click right next to it, not on it. You don't want to click on it. So what you're going to do is you're slide over it and make sure all of this is in dark blue. Okay. So now once this is up, you can right click on it. And you're going to go down to where you see copy link address. Copy. You're going to click that. Okay. Start meeting now. Boom. So now you're going to get this thing. Open Zoom meetings. Okay. So if this doesn't show up, that means you have to install it. Which means you can launch meeting. So it'll automatically install for you. So there's nothing you have to do. And if it doesn't, Click download now, right there. Now I'm going to show you how to install Zoom if you do not already have Zoom installed. Now, if earlier you were able to launch a meeting, you have Zoom installed. If not, follow these steps. You're going to go to Resources, okay? And down here, you're going to see Download Center. Okay, so now once you're here, you're going to go to Zoom Client for Meetings, very first one. Click Download. Okay, bottom left, you're going to see a download thing. Okay, once it's fully installed, full circle, you're going to click twice on it, and it's going to open this up, and it's going to all install, okay? So, because I already have Zoom installed on my computer, I can't fully show you, but I will walk you through the steps for right now. Once this happens, you're going to get this little blue guy down here. It's not going to look like this, but you're going to see Zoom down in the bottom left. I clicked X, so it went away. So basically, what it's going to do is it's going to ask you what resolution your computer is in, whether 64 or 32. If you don't know, you can click Windows. You can go down here, and you see this little button. You're going to click that, and then what you're going to do is click this Settings. You're going to type Settings, and then you see that, Open. Okay, once you click Open, you're going to go to the About section, which should be right there. It's at the bottom of System. So you're going to click About, and then you're going to go down, and you are going to see right here, System Type, 64-bit. It could be different for each person. So if it's 32 or 64, make sure you know that when choosing how to download it. Once you download it, since we're going to use the 64-bit, that's what I have, you're going to get the download button. You're going to click that download button, and the installer's... Okay, once it's finished, do not click on it, okay? You're going to see it like kind of in the bottom like we did earlier with the Zoom thing when I did this bar. It's probably going to be down there, okay? So it's going to appear down there, and then you're going to click on it. If it doesn't appear there, you can go back. You can press your Windows button. You can type in Downloads. Yeah, I spell it right. So now you're going to see Downloads. You're going to click that. And then you're going to see Zoom Installer right there. You're going to click on it, and you'll be all good. Once it's installed, open it by double-clicking, let it load, and Zoom will be installed. You might get an alert saying, kind of on the screen, do you want to let it make changes to your device? Make sure you click yes so that it can install on your computer. Enter your name as well before going into the meeting. When you go into a meeting, it'll be like, what do you want your name to be? I'm going to cover how to join a meeting, okay? So let's say your friend, your relative, your whatever is giving you a link to a meeting. So let's say the code could be anything. It could be 894675218 Now, let's say that's the code. That's not the code. I don't know what the code is. You're going to click Join. Not a code. And then this pop-up will happen. You're going to click Open Zoom Meetings. Okay? This isn't a real meeting, so that shouldn't pop up. Make sure you got the password right. So that's how to join a meeting. Now, I will show you how to host a meeting. So you're going to click Host. Now you can pick with video off, on, or screen share. I would suggest doing video on. So you're going to click with video on. Now this is going to pop up, Open Zoom Meetings. Now this is going to pop up. You're going to want to, if you think it might not work, you can go to Test Speaker and Microphone. And then you're going to hear this. If you hear it, click yes. Now, you're going to make sure you hear a reply. You're going to make sure you hear a reply. That means your microphone is working. That means now you can join with computer audio. Boom. And now you're in a Zoom meeting. All right, you guys, that should be everything you need to get going on your Zoom experience. Have a great time out there.